Nais sumunong ituloy ni Incoming Communications Secretary Martin Andanar ang weekly program ni President-elect Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nauna nang umeres sa Davao City bago pa ito kumandidato sa pagkapangulo. May report si Elena Luna.
Plano ni incoming PCOO Secretary Martin Andanar na ibalik ang weekly show ni President-elect Rodrigo Duterte. Programa itong dati nang umeere sa Davao City pero natigil nang ihayag ni Duterte na kakandidato siyang Pangulo ng bansa.
We still have to talk about this. It's essentially the Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa. It's the weekly TV and radio program that the incoming president had in Davao for every Sunday. And it's essentially a program that talks to the Masa and addresses problems of the Masa. And, it's as transparent as you can get. And we would want to, I would propose to bring that here in Manila and make it a national program.
Ayon kay Andanar, na ibahagi na niya ang planong ito kina incoming Cabinet Secretary June Evasco at incoming Presidential Management Staff Secretary Bongko. Maglalatag din daw siya ng National Communication Strategy para sa Administrasyong Duterte. Bahagi rin ng plano niya ang palakasin pa ang government media at magkaroon ng lingguhang tabloid gamit ang Apo Production Unit at National Printing Office. Pero nilinaw niyang kailangang aprubahan muna ang mga ito bago niya maipatupad.
We will beef up. As we were touring Channel 4, Radyo ng Bayan, I guess the foundations have been laid, and my job is to improve, continue, and even, well, they say that if you want a good legacy, you have to surpass the previous work, and that's what the Secretary showed earlier at our mini lunch meeting with the NPO staff. So, bukod doon sa television, bukod doon sa radyo, na we have to improve on that. We also would want to build the online presence. We would like to build the platforms. And we are planning to print our own weekly tabloid. And of course, it's not all cast in stone. Maraming pagbabago pa. As we, the team, do our due diligence.
Pagtutuunan din daw ng pansin ng susunod na communications group ang pagbuo ng media relations strategy. Samantala, buo naman ang suporta ni PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma sa papalit sa kanya. Si Andanar ay dating estudyante ng kalihim sa Asian Institute of Management.
Sa panahong nalalabi ay handa naman kaming mag-ambag at maghatid ng kinaukulang pagsuporta sa kanila para sa pag-umpisa ng kanilang termino ay maging maayos ang daloy ng komunikasyon.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.